close.
Real man.
I'm hungry.
For a puppy?
I'm super hungry.
No, we're not going to eat you. Maybe.
I'm hungry. Hi, Ming Ming. Hi there.
Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. Who is that?
Ollie, come on! Ollie! Ollie, Ollie!
Gosh, they haven't played like that in a long time.
Huh.
What kind of cover do you have on your
Out of
phone?
Texas.
Oh, a dream catcher.
You not bad.
I already cut it open, so it shouldn't be too hard to get out.
Neat.
What is it, honey?
Welding.
Awesome. That's a sign he needs.
I'll put that
For
in
your
my
shop.
I'll put that in my shop. Thank you very much.
Well, you're kind of hard to buy for, so.
I like that. That
Yeah,
is
he
neat.
is. Isn't he, Dale?
Thank you.
Hey, Pudding! Well, the cookout's over.
Yep.
Was it a success?
It was a good try.
Everything tasted really good.
Hamburgers are good too.
Yeah?
You want to try a bite?
No, ew.
I gotta get that seasoning from him. Find out how he makes it.
On the jar, it has a recipe on it.
Measurements?
Yeah, you could have just took a screenshot, like a picture with your phone.